Hey, it's me again. Good to see you. I didn't show you the aquarium from the wildlife reserve. I wanted to actually show you that. There's a few fish in there that are specifically to Australia and a crocodile and yeah. So check it out. I'm going into the aquarium. Smells like water. Look at all the fish. Smart man.
I wish I would have seen that before. I didn't.
Oh, look at this little snack.
Bigger fish. What kind of fish are these? Oh, look at that one.
That's kind of cool.
The Lawrence grunter. The coal hunter. Checkered rainbow fish and spangled grunter.
That's probably the speckled grunter.
Oh, there he is.
I don't know.
Pretty fish.
Look at the little turtle. Yeah, almost big.
Oh, crocodile.
Oh, it's crocodile. Can't see his head. Yeah, you can.
Look at the little shrimp, that big shrimp on his back.
Is there shrimp on his back?
Yeah, you gotta come over here. Big little purple shrimp. He was just hopping up and down just a second ago.
Oh, yeah.
Little shrimp was chilling.
Big old turtle. You might not turtle enough for you. There he goes.
Super shiny.
Oh, you can see the shrimp really good now.
Shiny.
It's a freshwater croc. What? What are those?
He comes close like
Diamond mullet. That's a mullet.
Is that a mullet?
Yeah.
It was funny the first time I see it.
And then the high hurdles catfish.
Super shiny.
Big old mullet.
Big old neck.
Oh.
Good God, boy. Where's the neck so long? You went to the exit?
Yeah, I went to the exit.
Oh.
See, did you see that stone in front of those clams? Those are extinct clams.
Really?
They're considered extinct in 2014.
Wow. That's sad. How's it cool? What are you looking at here? Oh, the bar.
Look at the magnifier.
Yeah.
Oh, that's poor dude.
Probably the most.
Whoa.
They give him no room.
Giant gudgeon.
We're no bigger than
He's alive.
Giant
So weird looking.
gudgeon.
Like a mini eel.
That's a catfish. It's not type of catfish. Big fish.
Fish are getting bigger. Then we'll go see the Great White.
Oh, look, it's a turtle. Ah, that's cool.
Just chilling.
Oh, look at a giant stingray.
Is that the one that comes there?
No,
Yeah.
don't talk about that.
Especially in its own land.
Oh, damn, it's cool. He just flew that over there.
Where'd he go?
He's right here. Oh, sorry. That's so cool, dude. Some big old fish, too.
Where's Manta Ray?
Shit! Guys! Oh yeah, we just saw.
That's a different one. That's a stingray. Catfish.
That thing is.
Freshwater whipray.
Look at that giant thing. What is that big one?
That's a barramundi.
Oh, that's right here. Literally right here in front of my face.
They breed in saltwater. Boys become girls.
Whoa, sounds like nowadays.
Tarpon. They got tarpon in here too. I about killed Scott trying to get that video. It's like, ah!
What is this? Is he dead? Has he been in bed?
No.
He's a pet, he's just chilling like that. Oh no, he's just chilling like that.
If he was dead, he'd be up here.
Yeah.
What is
Is
it?
that a blowfish?
Mud crab fishery. Mud crab.
Offshore native like yeah, blacktip shark. Oh, it's him. Probably not here. Oh, thanks, Mom.
How much is it? $3. Oh my gosh, he's right here. Big old croc. He is about 11 foot long, probably. Big old boy. Fig.
That's not a big area for him. Hey guys, we're all pretty lucky at the moment. This is the first day growing him, and probably he's only been on display for about 20 minutes. So he's been off for the last 6 or 7 weeks. Done some renovations to his roof, so you may notice up the dry end that he has a skylight. So that's the first time in the world that a crocodile's upgraded to a skylight. And it's a special skylight because it allows him to be able to get about 90% UV. So that's what we want for these guys. They need UV to keep them nice and healthy. So it's pretty cool.
It's hard to take pictures
back on
with
just
the
in time for
windows.
these
Yeah, especially with this.
Yeah, and the glare. He's still no teeth? Wait, has he got no teeth? Sorry? No teeth? He does have a few teeth, so what happened with him is he got a little bit sick at one point. He didn't have enough calcium, which meant his teeth fell out a little bit. So what's happened is now that he's on a completely different diet. That happened years ago, but he's on a completely different diet, so now he has a lot more fish carcasses. He has things such as wallaby. He gets a whole variety of different stuff to give him that calcium, and that's why his teeth are slowly growing back. So the vets have said that his teeth will never fully get back to maximum strength, but they've been increasing all the time. So last time we counted him, he had roughly about close to 30 teeth. So that's half of what they normally have. So they have up to about 66 teeth. So he's slowly getting it back. And they're actually a few little tiny ones. So he's got a few of those longer ones that have been growing straight away. But he has a few little tiny knobs that he's still growing. Okay.
How old is he?
He's, based on his size, we guesstimate him to be roughly between 50 to 60 years old.
Oh wow.
So these guys take that long to actually get to those large sizes. Their first 10 years is where they grow their fastest. So for a croc to get to about 4 meters takes roughly 40 to 50 years. They can live over 100 years.
Dinosaurs.
Yeah. They literally are the longest living dinosaurs, so they've been completely almost unevolved for years. Perfect machine for what they do.
Why evolve when you're a machine?
Yeah, exactly right. So this is obviously freshwater, right? Yep, so can like a saltwater survive in freshwater? Yeah, so the saltwater, the reason why they get that name is because they can tolerate salt. So they have a salt gland, which allows them to go into salt water and filters out all the salt. But they much prefer freshwater. The fact that they can only live in salt water for roughly only about 3 months completely. Then they have to go back to freshwater to flush out all the salt in that gland. So saltwater so they can live 100% fresh. Our freshwater croc can't live in salt water. It's completely fresh. So these guys prefer fresh, which is most of the water fresh. Can't live in salt water.